ITI is presenting different courses in the technical field, mainly 5 different trades that we are training, and we are also doing short courses in different fields. Well, I think ITI is known for its good standards. We are in the trade or in the training game for a couple of years. Myself is here for 21 years. So we have good experience and we are really trying to keep up a good standard. Well, first of all, I think there's a huge loophole in the market for artisans. So employment won't be a problem. And also there's a wide field into which you can go once you have obtained your skills. I've been with ITI now for the past 2.5 years before they took over the BS, and I can see that they really try to develop the center and also to keep up to the standards. I like to have an approach of counseling and help people where I can, and I always said that anybody's achievement is my pride. Well, nothing is impossible. I just had a conversation with a student this morning, and he told me that some of his family members said that he will never be able to become an artisan, and he's 2 weeks away from writing trade test, and I'm very confident that he will pass it. So it gives me great joy to see that somebody who has no skills or no knowledge about the engineering walks in here, and 3 years later he qualifies as a qualified artisan. My name is Stoffel van der Westhuizen, and I am the Senior Training Officer at the Fitting and Turning Workshop.